Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents. This vegetable will fix anything wrong in your body. Known mostly as the vegetable with the highest sugar content of all, beets are actually a powerhouse of valuable nutrients, and consuming them regularly can help you fight off a variety of ailments and diseases. It's deep red in color, which is caused by the anthocyanins that are known to have strong anti-cancer properties. Scientists have already researched beet extract. It has been shown that it can help prevent human pancreatic, breast, prostate and colon cancer. Beets are full of betaine, which is a natural anti-inflammatory agent especially beneficial for our heart. This amazing vegetable is also full of different minerals and vitamins which we need to intake every day. Iron, phosphorus, vitamin C, B1, B12, B2, iodine, magnesium, potassium, copper, etc. They are abundant in folate, which is good against unwanted birth defects. The regular consumption of beet will help you improve the function of your liver, the blood flow as well as your levels of cholesterol. Beets are amazing because they detoxify our liver as well as our blood. It's an amazing vegetable that will help you treat any health problem. Beets contain nitrates which appear naturally, and they can help us decrease high blood pressure. A particular study on beets proved that only 1 glass of beet juice can help us decrease the systolic blood pressure by 4 or 5 points. This is a vegetable which also shows benefits while we exercise. Our endurance and stamina become improved. It is an excellent vegetable which all athletes should consume. Beets can be consumed in different ways and recipes: steamed, raw, juiced or cooked. Beets contain green leaves on the top. They are abundant in manganese, vitamin A, protein, calcium, zinc, vitamin C, potassium. There are 644 mg in only half a cup. Copper and phosphorus. You can cook them like you cook spinach. They even contain more iron than spinach does. There are also researches which have proved that beets are amazing in the prevention of osteoporosis, Alzheimer's disease, bone prevention and an improved immune system. As I have already mentioned, this is a vegetable which contains a lot of potassium. When we consume this kind of foods and we decrease the amount of sodium we intake, we also decrease the risk of heart problems and stroke by even 21%. Beets are abundant in beta-carotene, which is really beneficial for our eye health. They can help us decrease macular degeneration and prevent cataracts. This is a wonderful vegetable to increase our energy with. Whenever you feel less energetic, you only need to consume 1 glass of freshly made beet juice and enjoy its benefits. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.